show you a little more about how I'm using LinkedIn to expand my business. So I'm going to go here into my groups and take a look at my groups. I'm in the maximum number of groups. I'm going to go down to one of my golf groups. Let's go down to discussing the golf industry. Go down there. And I've already got a little thing to paste, which offers a free download of my new marketing plan. So we're going here. If for some reason it doesn't bring up the graphic I want, so I'm going to post my own graphic. And then we're going to put a provocative title, Steal This Email Marketing Plan while you can. I know, let's try before they take it down. All right, that sounds pretty provocative. Still this email marketing plan, and there's a link to the website. So I go ahead and posted that. That goes out to the 6,979 members of that group. Let's go ahead and click through and look at our landing page. Here's our landing page. I'm going to get their name, first, last email, and their website. Kind of shows you what you get, which is a really awesome marketing plan that Patrick put together. And then I'm just going to repeat this process on another 20 groups so that I put that marketing plan out to as many people as I can. The idea is that they'll see the marketing plan, see that it's absolutely superior to what they're doing, and hopefully will call Legendary Marketing.